Mint green turbo. Man, look at this thing. Oh yeah.
Either love it or you hate it.
Yep.
No in between.
I, for one, love it. I would roll this super hard all day. Look at this interior. Oh man.
Well, check out each seat has its own controller. Like that. Go check out the seat.
See how we make the show. It's a very simple thing. If we want you guys involved, there's going to be a question at the end, a chance for you guys to win Zuckerman heads. Big stack of them. So if you want to come up when I call you up, feel free to do.
I have this strange life goal to someday own a ramp truck. Just think about how cool it would be. Get your truck, load up your parts, load up your track missile, and just go have a day at the track. Unload, have a good time, break the car, it's okay. Pull it back up, go home, fix it, race, repeat. I love me my big turbo wings, but man, do I also appreciate wingless deck lids. Especially the first one. So my road to being a Porsche fan started as being an air-cooled VW fan. And even though these are not air-cooled VWs, they are very early air-cooled Porsches. And I appreciate them and the lineage and you know how they came to be and eventually led to the 911. As such, I love these things, especially when they're in interesting colors such as this. Man, what a gorgeous little 356.
Now I talk, weep and willow have cried, and I showed the clouds how to cover up a clear.
Long hoods had such cool colors. Tacos y Porsches. ¿Qué más quiero? Mm-hmm. .356 coupes. Porsche track van. Look at this thing. Singers. I bet the teams that build those are so awesome. Man, these cars, something else for sure. The turbo G bodies are my favorite. Big fenders, big wings, big bumpers, and big turbos. Just imagine seeing this shape as a little kid. Look at this. If you look at this, if you saw this in a magazine as a child, how could it not influence the way you think about cars? Come on now. Man, these cars from this era, they just had such a beautiful shape. Just so pretty. When they said, well, we don't really understand aero, but as long as we're making a car, let's just make it as sexy as we possibly can. Look at this thing. Pikes Peak hill climb car. Imagine at the time putting together a combination of car parts that has never been tried together and crushing it up the hill and being the fastest up that mountain. That's the allure of Pikes Peak. How awesome is this? Flat 6 with twin turbos on it. Going up a mountain. Man, how incredible must that have been?
Oh, there you go.
993 Super Cup. I once went to a Formula One race in Mexico City, and on our way there, stuck in a cab, the Super Cup race started before the main race, and the Super Cups sounded so much better than the actual F1 cars themselves. Just, you could hear them from like a couple kilometers away from the track itself. Yeah, modern F1 cars aren't that great, but flat sixes always sound amazing. This is a roof. That makes this extra special. I believe this is a roof CTR2. Someone please correct me in the comments. I'm not 100% sure, but it's 993 based. It's probably excruciatingly fast. But man, the best part about roofs is that how they look so factory-like, but you know, plus a little bit more. They're just so low-key looking, and they're absolute monsters. Look at this thing. Old school roof, air cooled. Brumos 935. Ah, this bodywork just changed the way I think about cars. The wings, the big turbos hanging out the back, like the slant nose. Look at this thing. You just, for me, this was the ultimate 911. All right, look at this. I don't really have any words. There are so many variations of 935s that are absolutely incredible too, such as this one, which I couldn't tell you the exact specs, but it sort of looks like the baby 935 with the Martini livery on it. But look at this one over here. Goodness, look at that. Oh, I want to hear this thing fire up so bad. Look at this. How can you not be a fan of this bodywork as a child? It looks like Batman in car form. The infamous roof Yellowbird in yellow. This is the car that made me realize that the 911 is a giant killer. For this car with, you know, some engine work and 2 turbos strapped to it, became the fastest car in the world, and just crushed everything else that was the best of the best at the time. Lamborghinis, Ferraris, etc. Was still gonna forget that iconic video by Roof featuring the test driver Stefan Roser driving this thing sideways through the Nürburgring at like 11/10 the entire time, while the guy was wearing loafers and jeans, just chilling. What a legend. Incredible. The 911 also makes an excellent rally car or off-road endurance racer. What can't these cars do? Oh man, look at this awesome machine that didn't make it into the show. It's all good though. Still had a great time at Luft. Can't wait till next year. Hope to see you guys here at the next show.